guys, welcome back to Exotic Car Play Place. Did you know the brand new super popular 2020 Toyota Supra already has 2 recalls, and they're both very dangerous. Let's get into it now. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. Mark with Exotic Car Play Place, and today, so let's get right to it, guys. The brand new 2020 Supra has been a welcome addition to the car industry. That's right, it's been a long time since a 2JZ powered Supra from the 90s was out in circulation. Now Toyota has come out with a brand new Supra. Yes, it is a Toyota Supra, but no, really isn't. It is actually a BMW, a reskinned, rebadged BMW Z4. That's right, Z4 Roadster. Chassis, transmission, engine, a lot of the other parts and electronics are stolen right from the Z4 and placed in the new Toyota Supra. But it is in fact a very popular car. That's right, some of the biggest YouTubers from Stradman, Vehicle Virgins, and Daily Driven Exotics are all getting on board with buying the new Supra because it is the hottest car in the industry. But that doesn't mean it's without its faults. Did you know that BMW initiated 2 recalls associated with their Z4 cars, along with many other of the BMWs that unfortunately now move along into the Toyota supercar because it is actually the same car as the Z4. Unfortunately, both of these recalls are severely dangerous. Unfortunately, both of these recalls can lead to serious injury and or death to either people around the car or people driving the car. Well, the first recall that is a problem for these cars is the backup cameras. So what BMW's done is allowed the backup camera system to be disabled at the flick of a button and a menu. Now the problem with that is the US regulators have dictated that these systems now have to be fully engaged, fully operational, and not to be able to be tampered with. Unfortunately, this one can, and if you turn that off, it not only turns it off in the moment, but it will stay that way. Even if you turn the car off and the car back on, the camera will stay disengaged. In other words, you can turn it off as you back up your car. Unfortunately, these are the nannies that have been dictated to be part of the industry. These systems aren't engaged, and when you back up, if there's a child, a pet, a bicycle, anything that's behind you and you can't see it, because let's face it, a lot of these cars have very difficult quarters to see out of and a lot of blind spots, and unfortunately that can create a hazard for anybody in the area. And as well, a lot of these cars are so sheltered from the exterior because of massive insulation and improvements on sound deadening. Even if somebody was yelling behind you as you backed up, you probably couldn't hear them anyway unless your window was rolled down, which again can lead to a severe injury and or death to anybody or anything that happens to be behind the car as you're backing up. Now the second issue happens to be around the seats, and that is in a crash situation. So if the car was subjected to a crash, for example, a BMW Z4, and again this transfers through to the new Toyota Supra, the 2020 Supra, and that happens to be if you are in a crash, there's no guarantee that the seat will stay in place. As a matter of fact, the anchors and the welds are done in such a way that prevents the vehicle from fully securing from ejection. The worst part is BMW and now Toyota are saying not only will they come in there and fix that, they will actually take the car from you. That's right, so few of these cars produced as it is. The worst part is, even if you've had no issue and they want to recall your car, there's a good chance they're going to take the whole car and you have to wait a long time to get a replacement. That's the worst part. So as I said before, some of those big YouTubers out there, who knows? Some of them might be losing their cars just because of the recall. So severe hazard to the driver of the new Z4 or Supra, and again, backup hazards to those that might be crawling and creeping and crawling behind the car as you're backing out. So severe hazards nonetheless. Unfortunately, it's a sign that W didn't have all the boxes checked and have all the securities taken care of before production. Sadly, this swings over to the Toyota world now, which is going to be a taint and a black mark on the Toyota brand. After all, Toyota and Lexus are very proud of their brands and the quality control that they oversee into their vehicles. Now this unfortunately does create a little bit of a black mark to the brand. Either way, I'm glad BMW's taking care of this before it becomes a significant issue. So again, as always guys, you gotta check out the next video, which is all talking about why you really don't want to buy the new Corvette, and the other video over here really which is talking about reliability. Hope to see you guys in the next one. Catch you then. Bye bye.